3 tickets breached their SLAs and nobody on your team even knew. That silent failure is costing you customers right now. Here is exactly how to set up Zendesk automation conditions so you never miss an SLA breach again. Here is the root of the problem. Zendesk only runs automations once per hour, so your 2-hour warning could actually fire anywhere from 2 hours to 1 hour and 1 minute before the breach. Minute-level precision simply is not possible with native tools. Zendesk gives you 2 SLA condition types. Hours since last SLA breach is reactive. It fires after a breach already happened. Hours until next SLA breach is proactive, but it still only checks on hourly intervals. Method 1 is your best native option for proactive alerting. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and click Automations. This is where you will build your first SLA breach warning. Set 3 conditions: hours until next SLA breach less than 2, status less than solved, and tags contains none of SLA_alert. That tag condition is critical because without it, your team gets spammed with duplicate notifications every single hour. For actions, send a group email to the assigned group and add the SLA alert tag to prevent repeats. Use Zendesk placeholders like ticket ID and ticket link so agents know exactly which ticket needs attention. Method 2 covers what happens after a breach. Use hours since last SLA breach less than 1 to notify managers the moment a breach is detected. This is perfect for compliance tracking and customer follow-up. Method 3 is the most powerful native approach. Create an SLA escalations group. Use an automation to move at-risk tickets into it, then add a trigger that fires instantly when the group changes. You get real-time notifications even though the time check is still hourly. 4 mistakes that break SLA alerts. Forgetting nullifying tags gives you 8 duplicate alerts per ticket. Using decimal hours because Zendesk rounds them down, mixing up business hours with calendar hours, and using is instead of less than for time conditions. But native Zendesk has hard limits. No real-time alerts, no precise timing like 15 minutes before breach, no complex escalation logic, and no automatic rerouting based on workload. If your SLAs demand more, you need a different approach. With Eesel AI, you skip the automation builder entirely. Write escalation rules in plain English, get continuous monitoring instead of hourly batches, and simulate against your historical tickets before going live. It works right on top of your existing Zendesk setup. Ready to fix your SLA alerts for good? Try Eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required. Set up real-time SLA monitoring with plain English rules and never miss a breach again.